I have here a huge package. I don't know how the mailman stuffed it into my rural delivery mailbox. And this is a result of AliExpress combining orders into one shipment. I have, I don't know, 3 or 4 orders here, each with its own tracking number. And when I go to track it, I find out it's been combined with a whole bunch of other orders under this tracking number. So there's lots of stuff in here. So see, here's a box, another box. Now these all have labels on them, as if they were shipped. A big bag of stuff, an envelope of stuff. And a last box. This is the biggest bag, biggest sack. These are 3 electronics enclosures, plastic. This is the AliExpress order page, and they cost $4.21 per enclosure, but shipping was $6.11. That's one of the reasons I ordered 3 enclosures. So that makes them cost about $6.30 a piece by the time we ship 3 of them. I think I'll open the little one next. And I trimmed something. Maybe I just missed it. These are 2 remote control units. We have a receiver module. You may actually have to bend this antenna so it's out of the enclosure. Wires apparently enter, but that's not enough holes. Some more openings on this side. I think that might be an LED. I don't think it's a push button. No, it is a push button. And we have a transmitter. Merely a single button on off. So it's only 12 volts. That's not good. So I guess each one of these cost say $5, free shipping. Wonder why this was in Stuttgart. this is an extruded aluminum enclosure. It doesn't open. It's a solid one-piece extrusion. It's a little odd. It has an arched top on it. It's 3 inches in, not quite, almost 3 inches inside. 1 inch usable inside. And front to back, it's 4 3/4 usable inside. I should be receiving a number of different, just one of each, different aluminum cases. I'll prepare a set of AutoCAD drawings for each case that will be probably as dimensionally accurate as I can make them. And I'll provide a link probably added to this video and any other video I use as a case in. I'm going to consolidate cases I've used in the past with new cases to see if we can come up with a better way of picking a case. Here's that aluminum enclosure, 30 by 80 by 120. Free shipping, $10. At least I can tell how to open this box up. These are pretty expensive. I don't know how fragile they are. This is an extremely flexible series of LEDs. It's a little bit rubbery. Doesn't glide easily over your fingers. There's 10 pieces in here. I'm not going to count them. 300 millimeters long. A lot of 10 was $24. $2.40 each. They were available in 10 pieces of 120, and at this time they were available in white, red, green, and blue. So it's a pretty interesting thing. So it just says 3 volts. Try 3 volts and see. Yeah, there it goes. Doesn't begin to light until 1.5 volts. It's drawing right now at 2.7 volts. It's drawing 120 milliamps. So there's 3 volts and 0.33 amps. This is another big package from AliExpress. It contains some multiple orders. I guess it contains 2 orders. Okay, it looks like a couple of more enclosures. Wow. That's almost ridiculous. So this is an interesting enclosure. The top is completely symmetrical. Oh, a 60 by 110 by 100. This is the AliExpress sales page. Cost $8.67 with 96 cents shipping. And it is described as a 40 by 110 by 100. The second thing that was in that big box two of these. So this will screw to a surface or maybe fit a DIN rail. So it's put this way. There's a little lip on each one. Oh, there's a I guess the wires go underneath it and up into the holes. Come forward until they hit this little plastic. That's what they do. So there's 4 of these insulated bus bars, each with, it looks like 2 big holes and 5 smaller diameter holes. These cost $10 a piece, $8.80, $1.78 shipping. Say $10 a piece. I anticipate using these in my low voltage power distribution system if I ever get around to putting it together.